Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 6 of the 6 videos on 30 vegetable recipes. Today I'll be making 5 different dessert recipes using bottle gourd, radish, white turmeric, beetroot and carrot. If you are looking for specific dessert recipe, the time slots are given in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are some of the benefits of bottle gourd. Ingredients to make bottle gourd payasam. To make this dessert, we need 1 cup of grated bottle gourd. So peel, de-seed and grate it. This dessert is a very unique recipe in which we are going to add shredded bottle gourd to make payasam instead of using vermicelli. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. Add cashew nuts and raisins, fry until the raisins balloon up. Remove them from the pan. Into the same pan, add grated bottle gourd. Fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low-medium heat. This is done, remove from the pan and set it aside. Into a saucepan, add 3 cups of milk. Let it come to a boil. Add grated bottle gourd. Give a mix. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat. Keep stirring in between. To this, add 2 pinch of saffron. This is optional. 2 pinch of cardamom powder. 3 tablespoons of palm sugar. 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Increase or decrease these ingredients according to your taste. Now add roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Give it a nice mix. Turn off the flame and add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. There you have it, healthy bottle gourd payasam. Some of the benefits of radish. Ingredients to make radish halwa. Here I have got 400 grams of radish, peel and grate it. Boil it for 3 minutes, strain and rinse well with water. To make this dessert, use a wide pan, add 3 cups of milk. Add grated radish, cook for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. Milk has reduced and it's come to a thick consistency. Now in this stage, add half cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of mixed nuts of your choice. 1/4 cup of roasted coconut chips, or you can use desiccated coconut also. Combine all these ingredients well. Add half cup of milk powder. Give this a nice mix. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Give a mix. Now everything has come together. This is the right consistency. Turn off the flame and serve hot. Here is the delicious radish halwa. Enjoy! Some of the benefits of white turmeric. Ingredients to make white turmeric shortbread cookies. This is white turmeric. Bought this from Asian grocery store. You get it online as well. To make this recipe, I need 50 grams. Grate and keep it aside. To make shortbread cookies, the ingredients are very simple. Add 110 grams of room temperature butter. Add 50 grams of powdered sugar, also called confectionery or icing sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine these 3 ingredients well. Beat butter and sugar until it's creamy and fluffy. To this add grated white turmeric. It has a very good flavor. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is zest of 1 lemon. Give all these ingredients a nice mix. This is 150 grams of plain flour. Add in 2 portions and fold it gently. Dough is sticky and soft and it's difficult to roll it, so let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours or leave it overnight. Wrap it in a cling sheet or a plastic sheet. It's been 2 hours now. Dust some dry flour on the working surface. Roll and cut into a desired shape and size. This goes to the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep it on a wire rack for 5 minutes. Let it cool down. Smells so good. It's a great combination of white turmeric and lemon. Must try it. There you have it. Quick and easy white turmeric shortbread cookies. These are some of the benefits of beetroot. Ingredients to make beetroot jam. Here I have got half a kilo beetroot, peel and cut into small cubes. Boil beetroot for 10 minutes. Beetroot is done. Grind into a fine paste. Do not add water while grinding. Into a pan, add ground beetroot and palm sugar. Mix this well. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This will stop sugar from crystallizing and acts as a preservative as well. Keep stirring this on a low heat until you get a thick jam consistency. I'm adding a tablespoon of raspberry extract. You can use strawberry or any flavor of your liking. It has come to a thick jam consistency. Turn off the flame, let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, transfer to a glass or ceramic jar, refrigerate it, and you can use it for many days. Take a puff pastry sheet, add a tablespoon of beetroot jam in the center and bring all the four corners together. Press it to secure it. I've posted a video on how to make puff pastry sheet. I'll give the link in the description box below. Bake this for 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until it turns light brown. Beetroot puff is done. Keep it on a wire rack, let it cool down. Some of the benefits of carrots. Ingredients to make carrot pudding. To make carrot pudding, I've got 3 carrots. Peel, chop and keep them aside. Into a pot, add 2 cups of milk, 15 to 20 almonds and the chopped carrots. Boil it for about 10 minutes. Carrot is cooked well, turn off the flame, let it cool down completely, then grind carrot with the milk into a fine paste. Now add ground carrot to a pan. To this add half a cup of palm sugar. Add 3/4 cup of milk powder, give all these a nice mix. 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder, or you can use gelatin powder also. Finally, add a tablespoon of ghee, also called clarified butter. Give a mix. Pour this into a glass and set this in the refrigerator for 2 hours. It's been in the fridge for 2 hours, nice and set. Some pistachios on top and serve chilled. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this at home and share this recipe with your family and friends and enjoy. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.